birds were so loud. I was filming yesterday and I was talking about the new sail pack. You couldn't even hear it over it. So I'm going to do a quick rundown again of what we're looking at. This is the front of my original sail pack. It got trashed in the storm, was completely shredded. I just took a pair of scissors and I cut it off so it wasn't quite as messy, but I need to be able to protect my sails from the UV rays. All of this is getting changed out for something that's going to be so cool and so neat and so amazing and so beautiful. I cannot wait to get a new sail pack. It's going to be fabulous. And in the meantime, I'm just trying to keep the birds from making a nest in the sails. Pretty soon, they may find it a lot more difficult to get in there because I'll have a better sail pack. I knew it was on its last legs. This is just not going to cut it anymore. And I need to protect my mainsail. This is coming off. I did my research on stack packs. I don't even know who made this one. I cannot find any labels or maker's marks on it or anything, so I have no idea. But it has some things that I'm looking for in the new stack pack, which is that the horizontal battens, which in this case, they've actually come out of the sail pack itself and are tangling out my reefing lines, which is kind of a pain. And I was talking about the new sail pack that I'm going to be making with Littell and Aylesworth Sailmakers. And the damn birds were so loud. I did a ton of research. I like how they build the stack packs. I like their attention to detail. Their communication is wonderful. I may be going up the mast for that one. No promises, but I'm going to try. I'm so excited. I wanted to say thank you very much to Littell and Aylesworth Sailmakers for working with me. I'm just thrilled. I can't wait to see what it looks like. I know it's going to be amazing. Just can't wait.